still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Morning.
Morning.
Welcome to day 3 of our staycation.
Yes.
In case you can't tell from our sweaty selves, it's very hot today.
It is warm, yes.
It's already very hot. So we were planning on going on the Ullswater steamers today, but I think being out in the midday sun would be too much for me and for Louis, to be honest. He's currently rolling on a wet towel.
Yeah.
So we've been trying to keep him as cool as we can. And then I think maybe in the early evening, we'll head down to Ullswater and see if we can paddle a little bit and
That'd
things
be
like
nice.
that.
Yeah, I think we could go chill out around here today. I think we give Louis. He's really tired and hot. I think
He's
it'd
had
be
a very
nice for
busy
him
week
to.
so
Yeah,
far, so.
it'd be nice for him just to have a chill day.
Yeah.
And try to keep him cool. Because I think it's getting up to about 27 degrees today.
Disgusting.
Quite warm.
Yeah. I think John was saying he thinks we're the only ones on the site now.
I think we are, yeah.
So
it feels strange. I walked Louis earlier, and yeah, no one's here at all.
it is Monday, so I
is.
guess everybody, maybe you get people come midweek and we're
Yeah.
here for a week. So yeah, that's the plan. I guess we'll need lunch.
Yes.
And then we've just got a few hours and then maybe it'll cool off a little bit.
Maybe. I think early evening it starts cooling off a bit, so hopefully we can go somewhere then.
Yeah.
But we just phoned the reception and asking for a fan. They haven't got any, but you can give us more towels so we can keep Louis nice and wet.
But he won't keep a wet towel on
no,
anyway.
but he's had it on longer than we thought.
Well, what happened was we put it on and he slowly backed away from us with the towel on, and now he's over there without the towel on.
Yeah.
So
He's dead on it though.
Oh, is he?
No, half of him, I think.
no. But yeah, we're trying, and he's
Yeah.
indoors, and it's better than being out in the sun.
Sun, yeah.
Yeah, that's the plan. Our morning has consisted of John chasing Louis with a wet towel.
It was working.
He puts it on and he walks around like he's wearing a cape for a little bit. Is it wet still?
Yeah.
And then he walks really slow because he's got a towel on. It must work because he is kind of keeping it on.
But he is silly because he's finding
There's little sunspots, look.
He's getting sitting there.
With his little cape. Oh my god, he looks like a tiny ghost.
And he sits
And he'll sit there. Come away. He's so sad he has to wear his towel cape.
He's not panicking.
No, he's very annoyed at you though. I've done a little bit of editing.
Yeah.
We're going to make paella now and we've readjusted our plan.
Yeah, you know, it happens.
Yeah.
He's got a bit warm for him, so that's fine.
It's too on for me as well, to be honest. So we're going to go and do some of the things we were going to do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Which frees up tomorrow morning to do the thing that we were going to do today.
Yeah.
Good plan? He looks like he's trying to be a ghost.
He does.
He looks very annoyed about the towel. You alright? Oh, little tail wag. Are you a good boy? Louis a good boy.
But that's good, we've got that video done as well.
Yeah.
But we'll have lunch now.
Yeah. We're trying. Oh, there we go. It's gone. And hopefully these ingredients will turn into... Well, you can't see because of the sun. This. Here, let's go. How long does it take?
Right.
Oh, 35 minutes.
Okay.
Got to be speedy because we've got to get to the gingerbread house. I guess it kind of looks a bit like it. We burnt the onions and there's a lot of the mayonnaise sauce.
That's alright though.
It does look yummy, so... Louis just greeted the neighbours. They've got 2 doggies, so... No. But he's sat out there. Oh, he's half in the shade. He's half in the shade watching them unpack their car. So we're just heading to Grasmere Village in hopes of getting our hands on some Grasmere Gingerbread.
Is it still open?
It says it's open till 5:30. It is now 4:30, so we should make it.
Yeah.
So apparently this shop sells everything ginger, so they've got like ginger popcorn, ginger biscuits, ginger ice cream,
nice,
all of the things.
Okay.
And they also sell like Kendall mint cake and things like that.
Ginger ice cream sounds interesting.
It does. Maybe we should try it. But we're hoping to get the gingerbread because it's supposed to be the same recipe that Sarah Nelson used in 1854 when she invented it, and it's named after the village, so I'm excited to try it.
It should be good, hopefully. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Hopefully it'll start cooling down a little bit as well.
Yeah.
So it's still fairly hot now, but I reckon the next hour or so it should start cooling down for Louis.
Yeah. He's stopped panting, so it's cooler in the car than it is outside. Yeah, so hopefully this shop smells like gingerbread. That'll be good. And I've promised my dad I'll pick him some up. It's Father's Day on Sunday, so I can give him some for Father's Day.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Trying some Victorian gingerbread.
Yeah.
We actually haven't driven this way out of where we're staying.
No, we haven't.
So we just like turned right and then we were like, oh, an 18th century inn.
You've run out of days though.
Yeah, we didn't think we'd have this much to do.
Yeah, there's tons.
But there's so much
amazing.
to do. And we've got Louis as well, so if you were coming without a dog, there's like unlimited things to do.
It's amazing, especially like weather like here. So I know you got to watch the dog.
It's too hot. And the Emma.
Yeah, but it's amazing. You know, there's loads of stuff to go and see.
Yeah.
You know, it's amazing.
Yeah, and because it's all like outdoor, a lot of it is outdoorsy things. You can go in like early evening, and it's still hot. So
absolutely, it's 4:30 and we just came out. So yeah, absolutely. Have a couple of hours out, it'll be fun.
Yeah. I just feel like in the camera it just looks like a big hill, but it is a very big hill. But the camera makes it look smaller somehow. Like.
That looks amazing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's some amazing scenery around here.
So we're in the village of, I think Grasmere is probably how you say it, but feel free to correct me in the comments. Yeah, it looks little. We've just passed the biggest hills ever in the world. It looked like Norway, didn't it?
Yeah, it was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah, and there's pubs, and there's a park. Cute. But yeah, we're right by the gingerbread place.
Yes.
Now, I think we might have to take it in turns going in.
That's fine.
Because of Louis, but I'm excited. I really hope it smells good.
I'm sure it will.
The gingerbread shop is number 8, and we are here.
Not too bad.
No. We've been trying to figure out how to get to it.
We couldn't find a parking space.
No. They've got a Jack Russell. Good job that's not open.
Yeah. Okay, we made it. We got gingerbread.
Oh my god, that shop smelled
amazing.
So good.
It really did.
It didn't smell traditional. It smelled like gingerbread, but not like super sweet.
Like butter, really nice butter, melted butter.
I'm just going to read you the look at the bag. It's so cute. This is
awesome.
only sold there. It says Sarah Nelson's Grasmere Gingerbread, established 1854. But on the back it says, enjoy Grasmere Gingerbread, a deliciously and iconic delicacy from England's UNESCO-listed Lake District Park. A unique cross between biscuit and cake was invented in 1854 by Victorian cook Sarah Nelson. It is still made every day to her secret recipe in Grasmere Village. Baked to a secret recipe, but it does contain wheat and sulfites. Only available there, best eaten fresh.
Go for it.
So, well, one of them's broken, so I'll have the broken one because then I can keep the back.
Oh wow,
That's
okay.
right.
I wasn't expecting that.
Mm.
Good.
Yeah, but not It's definitely gingerbread, but it's different.
Yeah, the police, we just seen some police, they went in there and they were saying that it didn't taste like a normal gingerbread.
Oh yeah, they were the police, you have the full one, there's a full one in there. The police were saying doing like a magical mystery Lake District tour or something.
Okay.
It's amazing, right? Also, 90p per slice and a proper taste of the Lake District.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Come and try this.
That's really good.
Yeah, so we found a little daffodil garden.
Yeah.
There's some information about Wadsworth around. John's still eating his gingerbread. But I'm not sure who he is, but I know that he's important and was from here, and his grave is in the churchyard behind us there. But yeah, we're going to sit here, in the shade, have our gingerbread.
Tastes like ginger nuts.
Yeah.
We've done it.
But also the powdery on the top is nice.
Yeah, the aftertaste of ginger nuts.
Yeah.
But it's like ginger, so it would do. But
yeah, it's
that's
super
exactly
nice.
that. That's awesome. Yeah, really nice.
Yeah, so we're going to sit, eat our gingerbread, have a little drink in the shade in this daffodil garden.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a daffodil, but it's called the daffodil
good
garden.
spot.
Yeah.
I like that.
Can't remember whose grave I said it was, but it's Wordsworth, the poet, and he's in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I definitely didn't say that the first time. I'm pretty sure I said...
you did, I'm not sure.
I don't know. I thought I'd said like Wadswick, which is a beer, or Woodstock, which is, I don't know. But yeah, we've both thoroughly enjoyed those gingerbread.
Nice.
But we did look at the calories.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. No, they're like 280 calories a slice. So...
No say.
Yeah, no regrets.
Holiday calories don't count.
There's a little poem. For oft when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils in Daffodil Park.
Yeah, how nice is that?
Yeah. Although I am not convinced we've seen daffodils.
No.
Right, we may or may not be about to get lost because we thought there was a footpath from the car park, but we didn't take it because we weren't sure.
Because we wanted to get there on time and get gingerbread.
Yeah, but we think it might be that one.
So we're going to go for adventure.
Yeah.
Why not? Louis knows where he's going.
Yeah. Find the car. Mush. Oh.
I think it is.
Right? Yeah, it must be.
Yeah.
How pretty. Is he itching to get in?
We found the bridge.
We found the bridge. Yeah. Look at this stream.
How lovely is that? Louis dying to get back.
I know, Louis loves water all of a sudden, doesn't he?
He does. How clear that is though. How water. That's proper clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've seen some a couple of days ago, a walk and
Oh,
yesterday.
why don't we go there? You could get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, the water yesterday was brownish, but that's not.
Still clear. I think that's
Yeah.
algae on the stones. But yeah, I mean, on a walk we've seen so many streams like this and rivers and that, because obviously in Lake District, and it is so clear. All the water is so clear.
Yeah. Okay, so I paid 50p to have a wee. Luckily they take card, which I think is very nice of them. But
we used to be spend a penny.
I thought it was like 20p, but I suppose they've got to make the money somewhere. But it was well worth it. I had a nice way.
Good.
And we're on the way to Ambleside now, which is 10 minutes away. It's actually where John finished the walk.
It is, yes.
But he wasn't in the mood for doing any touristy things then. So we're headed to see Bridge House, which is in Ambleside. It's only 10 minutes away from where we are now, so we thought it's worth just going and having a little look.
Absolutely. It's someone said about it to me at work, and it looks amazing. So being this close, I thought we'd go and see.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we're headed to let Louis have a swim because he's itching.
Yeah, and it's still quite warm.
Yeah. There it is.
We found it.
Yeah, good job I only put an hour on the car.
It's tiny. 6 children and 2 adults lived in that house at one point.
Wow.
How mad is that?
Didn't even what? Wow.
So it used to be an Apple store, and like you just said, you have 6 children and 2 adults in it.
Yeah.
How mad is that?
There's only 2 rooms in there as
Yeah,
well.
the most photographed building in Lake District, apparently.
You can see why it's
can see
super
why,
cute.
yeah.
So this river used to be so strong that there were 5 mills powered by it. And now there's like a trickle of water, isn't there?
It's tiny though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so small. But in the daytime, you can come. It looks like it's daytime, but it's actually nearly 6 o'clock. But in the daytime, you can come and have a look around the 2 rooms. It's owned by the National Trust now, so.
It is, yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's cool.
I'm glad you couldn't have seen it. That's awesome.
Yeah, me too.
Around the front, it's a little bit nicer.
But it's the main road just there, so we've
Yeah,
come
that's the
around this
problem.
side.
How'd you get 8 people in there?
I know. Squishy.
That's amazing. Clever though, so you don't have to pay tax.
Yeah, that's why they did
awesome.
it. Because obviously they're not on land, so. And it looks like they built the bridge at the same time as the house, maybe? Because it looks like moulded in. Yeah, but this used to be so strong. It powered 5 mills and now it's a trickle. Yeah, maybe.
When they eat it, it gets more water.
But now it's a trickle down there.
That's unbelievable.
Yeah.
It
I
really
wonder if we
is.
should have a drink.
We can if you want.
Have we got an hour? Is that enough time?
Yeah. why
Yeah.
not?
Let's go do that.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Me too. Cheers.
Came for a drink.
Yeah.
It's so nice here. What's it called?
I'm not
Tash
sure.
something.
Yeah. I'm not sure. But they got Louis some water with
Yeah.
some ice in it.
Posh water. Yeah, proper chat to your staff about their dogs. It's lovely.
Yeah. And
Poor
now we
dog
can have a
friendly.
drink because
Yeah.
we paid for an hour parking. The pizza there smelled so good.
It did, and the burger looked amazing as well.
But we have plans for tea.
Tap Yard.
Yeah.
Amazing place.
Yeah.
Lights in there.
And they had toilets, so I didn't need to pay 50p.
Really good. They looked after Louis as well.
Yeah, with his ice water.
Yeah.
Because he's the fanciest dog around. No, it was a nice little stop though,
It
wasn't
was,
it?
yeah, I liked it there.